You are welcome. In this video, let us understand the project Network Problem Analyzer. This is more like a technical project, particularly related to the network. Here we have limited forms, so we have earned 10 forms. In each forms, we can do particular activity. So here is the first one, check connected systems. So check connected system to check in a network is basically, as we discussed already, for a network. So in a network, which other systems are connected, that we want to check it out. So for that, this particular form is used, right? So you can give the ID, basic ID, and then from node to node. So when you click check, so we are using system.net, we are importing system.net, and you are using object called as a Wing Management. So from that, we have to check it out, select star from Wing Management, where address is equal to IP, particular IP, and then it will go for each ID, and then it will check whether it is working or not working. So here is that IP not connected with the last one. Okay, so that is the last IP not connected is not required. Okay, for it's there. Okay, if it's connected, it show here. Otherwise, it will come out and then it will show this one. So is a get all IP functions. So this code will check whether this is connected, the particular IP is connected or not. Okay. So as I told already, it's more like a technical. So you are interested in a technical related jobs. So probably you need to get into this project and then you have to work hard, uh, understand, and then you can able to run this project, right? So here is another one, the other form. So check internet connection. So this form to check whether we connected to the internet or not. So this particular system, which one you are running, so that is connected or not. So is internet connected? This is the function it has to check. So go to definition. So here is the definition. Said it's a public function is internet connected as a boolean. Of type boolean should return true or false. Dim flag internet connection state is equal to 0. For initially it's false. Try internet get connected state. Okay, so again it is a procedure. Sorry, it's a function actually. So if we go to definition of this function, so here is connection state and then as a boolean. Okay, so again this we are using system.runtime interrupt services. We are using some services. For using that services, we need to figure out whether net is connected or not. Fine. So end of the day, if it's true, it returns true, then connected, else it's not connected. Then here is a one more form. Here what we want to do is instead of check for one node or one IP address, we can put all the IP address in a file. I'll show the file now. So here I can go to projects, network analyzer. Here's the list. Okay, you can put all the IP addresses in one list, and we can check for individual IP address whether they're connected or not. So if we say browse, we can able to open the file, text file, and that we're going to read, and then we're passing to the list box. So after passing to the list box, we'll check this. There is a timer. So timer tick. So here is the code to check individual connections. If it's connected, it's a working. If not connected, not connected or not working. So this is about the server all. Then there is a check server ping. You can ping the server. So via this code, here is a code to ping the server. Right. So next is the flash screen. Then list of local IP addresses. So what are local IP addresses connected to this system will be shown using this particular code. And there is a login form, MDA form, then port number checking, then system process. So system process, what are the processes running in the system, that we can find out using this function. So particularly we are using process in process.get processes. Process.get process will get all the processes, and then we read each process and we're displaying in a text box. Okay, so let's run this project and I'll show you like how it works. Fine, so let me start with the welcome screen. Therefore, I go to my project. So here I'll say flash screen. Then I'll save that data, run. So it is the welcome screen. Fine. So then a login form. So here is the connected systems. Okay. So you want to check which are the systems connected, 192, 168. Because my system presently not connected to any system, but let's check it like 1 to 2. If you need to have a network to check all these things and all. Okay, 0 not connected, 1 is not connected, okay, 2 is not connected. But if you are in a network, then it'll check it out and it'll show you like whether it's connected or not. So here is a list of local system IP addresses. So this is the web server and this is my system ID and system processes. What are the processors running? So that is exactly services. Okay, so when you give services, so what are the services are running? So the same thing will be shown here also. Then internet connections. So this will check whether connected or not. So presently it's connected, therefore it shows as connected. Then server ping. So you can ping the server here. For example, I'll take this IP address. So check. Okay, it's taking some time. Okay, so this is not there. Fine. So then we have all servers. So here to browse, as I told already. So we have a list, a text file. Open the text file. Then there are different IP addresses that, so we can check whether they are working or not. So I'll take each one and then I'll try it out whether it's working or not. Fine. So as I told already, it's like more like a technical project. So we need to understand each concept and thoroughly, and that we need to explain in the examination. So list of all IP addresses. This is the code. So for more details, please check it out. The links are there in description. So you can get into our website and get the details. Okay, thank you.